Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a student and you're working on the budget and at the same time you want to know how to maintain a healthy lifestyle while in school and also achieve a glowing skin without breaking the bank, come close. This video is for you. So first off, I'm going to be talking about lifestyle. Now lifestyle includes your eating habits, exercise, your vitamins, staying hydrated, and also yeah, I think basically that's it. If you're having enough sleep, okay, yeah, enough sleep. Those are the lifestyle that I'm going to be talking about. So I'm going to be taking them one after the other, and then the next I'm going to be talking about your skin, how to maintain your skin while in school using affordable products that are effective and also affordable. Okay, so stay tuned to this video. So yes, I'm going to be taking one by one. I want to ensure that you're having enough sleep while in school. I know how hard it is being in school, keeping up with your exams, project work, and all of that. But please and please make sure you get enough sleep, at least 6 to 8 hours. It will help you to be rejuvenated from the inside and also keep you your skin fresh and hydrated. If you don't get enough sleep, you get dry. Your skin get to dry out, be flaky, and you have eye bags, and it's not good for you and your mind and all of that and at all. Then the next is your exercise. No matter how hard it is, we can just take a day, one day off the week and get your body toned. Exercising tones your skins also at the same time while keeping your muscles intact and also helping you to achieve a healthy life. Okay, and the next one is your vitamins. Vitamins are very important, as simple as taking vitamin C every day. Even though you can't afford the 1000 milligram, there's 500, and also the county ones that you can just put in your back while you're in school and put it in your mouth while you're in classroom or whatever. That is very important. It will go a long way. It boosts your immune system. It helps your skin, your nails, your hair, your lashes. Vitamin C is everything, and also boost your immune, and you're staying away from the hospital. At the same time, your skin is glowing from the inside. You also want to take enough water and fruits and vegetables. Now this cannot be overemphasized. Make sure you stay hydrated. The more hydrated you are, the more flawless your skin is, and the less irritated your skin is, the less especially if you're acne or pimples, you have acne prone skin, you have pimples, taking a lot of water will help your skin and helps to help your skin to boost its elasticity, and thereabout helping you to fight the acne breakouts, number of breakouts that you have. Okay, I beg your pardon. And the next one is your fruits and vegetables. Please and please, I cannot emphasize that. Now taking your citrus food also contains water. Now that keeps your skin hydrated. Also your watermelon, your cucumber, your orange, all of that helps your skin to be flawless and also boost your immune system. Okay, and the next one I'm going to be talking about also is your skin, taking care of your out. We've talked about lifestyle that can actually affect your skin from the inside, and now I'm going to talk about taking care of skin on the outside while working on a budget. Now budget friendly products, I'm going to be talking about them today. Now first of all, it's your bath time, your shower time. I talked about 5 bath soaps that are effective, that will lighten you without actually bleaching your skin, so you don't have to look so dark and dirty and haggard just because you're in school. Look, you can actually use amazing products. I talked about extract, Idole papaya, Dr. Rashel vitamin C, and I'm going to be adding to that the Dudu osun. Dudu osun retails for 350 naira to 500 naira. It is amazing. It is antibacterial. It contains camwood that is effective to actually brighten and lighten the skin, at the same time protect the skin from bacteria. So if you have acne or body acne and you're finding it hard, this soap is effective for you. I use it while I was in school. I use extract. I use it alongside extract, and this soap are amazing. And extra retails for 800. Dr. Rashel is about 15. Also your Idole papaya is at 700, and your Dudu osun is 350 naira. How nice can that be? And they all have amazing fresh scents. So guys, these soap are effective for you and good for you for achieving your glowing school while working on a budget and as a student. Now the next one I'm going to be talking about is your face, taking care of your face. Now this one is very important because it's the first point of contact people have with you. Now if you're acne prone, there are amazing face soap that you can use that under 3,000 naira. Dr. Rashel have different variants, so I'm going to be specifically talking about Dr. Rashel. I think they have about 4 or 5 variants depending on your skin type. If you have dry skin, there's hyaluronic face wash by Dr. Rashel. It's affordable, it will hydrate your skin while cleansing out your skin. If you have acne, there's niacinamide face wash by Dr. Rashel. It will help to fight your pimples, acne, and the breakouts at the same time to cleanse your skin, your face. So you want to look out for that face wash. And the next one is your moisturizer, your face moisturizer. I'm going to be mentioning 2 products here that are affordable. They are under 3,000 naira. Dr. Rashel hyaluronic acid face cream, and also your Nivea perfect and radiant even tone face cream. Dr. Rashel hyaluronic acid face cream contains vitamin C and hyaluronic acid and also niacinamide that helps your skin to be plump and hydrated, and brightens your skin, your face at the same time. So if you have acne, you're having breakout, Dr. Rashel hyaluronic acid face cream with niacinamide is perfect for you, and it retails for less than 2,500 or 2,500 depending on the store you're getting it from. And also another one will be your Nivea even tone radiant and perfect and radiant even tone face cream. That is one is even amazing. Like, I don't know, I urge everybody to get it. It even out your skin tone, as the name implies. It keeps your skin hydrated and also protects your skin from UV rays and all of that. Now even though it contains SPF 15, your SPF cannot be overemphasized. It's a must have. Okay, ensure that you get your SPF. I'm going to be telling you guys about products that are affordable that you can get. We have Dr. Rashel, retails for 4,000 to 4,500. Skin Lab retails for less than 4,000 naira, 437 or 35, and also Bio Balance, that's the one I'm currently using. Bio Balance retails for 3,600. So you see, you don't have to break the bank to use SPF or take care of yourself because you're a student. Okay, it is very, very affordable. These products are affordable, they are effective, and they are nice. Okay, we also have Diasaar. Diasaar also have a range of sunscreen that are also affordable. They are under 3,000, 2,500, 2,200, and depending on the store you're getting, just make sure you're getting the original product. Okay, and the next one will be your body moisturizer or lotion. I really actually suggest that you use body oil, or if you're using body lotion and you're on a budget, baby body lotion, they are amazing. You don't know, they are so effective that the more you use it, the more effective they become on your skin. They keep your skin hydrated, moisturized, and even toned. Yes, they do not lighten your skin to that extent or bleach out your skin. That's not what you're looking for. You're in school, you want to maintain a healthy glowing skin, by the way. So baby lotion, Pears baby lotion is number 1 on the list. It's amazing. Johnson they are beautiful. They keep your skin really soft and hydrated and moisturized and even toned. And the more you use it, the more effective it shows in your skin, or rather on your skin. Now the next one, oil. I'm going to be talking about body oils that are also affordable. Diasaar have affordable body oils, and they have range of argan oil. Argan oil have amazing properties that, in fact, you cannot. I don't know what to say. Argan oil is amazing. It nourishes your skin, brightens your skin, lightens your skin, and hydrates your skin. We have coconut oil, we have carrot oil, and also we have almond oil. Now these products have this range of oil, and they are below 2,000 naira or 2,500. I don't know. Yes, 2,500 thereabout. So these oils are very effective for your body. So after using your very effective and yet affordable bar soaps, you want to also use your body oil, because you're going out, you are moving. It's cool, right? You want the weather is dry in this part of the world, so you want your skin to be hydrated. As long as your skin is hydrated, your skin will remain flawless, and also you achieve a glowing skin. You don't have to break the bank because you want to achieve a healthy glowing skin while in school. No, you can achieve this under 20,000 naira, even less than 20,000 naira. You can achieve all those things that I'm talking about right now today. So ensure that you adhere to the tips that I'm giving you today to achieve a healthy, or rather to maintain a healthy lifestyle and achieve a glowing skin without breaking the bank while you are in school. I hope you find this video useful. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, and if you have questions, I'm available to answer them. So please, thank you for watching. God bless you. See you guys in my next video. Yeah, bye.